Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Forex Traders. I'm here with a trade breakdown on how we managed to make about $2,400 on Euro NZD right here from the forecast, trade management, and closing of the trade. So make sure you watch the rest of the video so that you can understand why I took this trade and all that. All right, so let's get started right now. All right, so let's go to where it all began from. So let's see right here. You can see that we were able to forecast this trade right here on Euro NZD last week, where we saw a nice drop, base rally to the upside, and break of structure right here. And then also we saw the market creating liquidity with the Asian session, which was not taken out right there. So my anticipation was simple: simply wait for the Asian session to be taken out, and once that happens, we can actually go for buys, right? So initially my stop loss was like 223 pips and my target was like 569 pips right there. All right, so that's how we were able to analyze this particular trade. And then few days later the market came to my area, and this is right here. So you can remember that the first time the market was here, so it took how many days? 1, 2, 3, about 4 days later the market now came to my level right here. You can see that the market had created a lot of liquidity right here because the market was not really moving anywhere. We saw the market creating, you can actually connect this to this right here, which is a trend line liquidity right here, or a 3D drive right here. So the market now came to this level right here, which is very nice. And you can see that now this stop loss was now reduced from 23 pips. The stop loss was now 15 pips right here. So the market came to this area after taking out the Asian session, like always, right? Asian session was taken out, which is very, very important. So after I saw this happening, and this is when I was able to share this signal in our private community right here. It was on the 13th of August, like 2 days ago, right? So this is how what happened right here. So as we shared this particular trade, see what happened. The market pushed to the upside beautifully. You can see that the market went all the way to this level right here, and this is where I was able to tell the community to actually go break even on this particular trade so that we can avoid the market which is just in your going in a direction, going into a break-even trade or a losing trade. And you can see the market kept on pushing to the upside, and right now we were floating around 127 pips, 125 pips, which was about 6 hours. And I had to tell the community to actually secure their stop loss to this level right here so that we can secure some profit, such that when the market comes again against us, we wouldn't actually lose out on this particular trade, right? And this is what happened. The market, we kept on updating the community right here. We showed the stop loss, and then we had some news event right there. We showed the stop loss again from that level to this area right here, which were about 12 hours in profit. All right, and then we were expecting some CPI news to come, and then guess what? We saw the market now consolidating and trying to come back against us from here, and that's where I was able to close this trade. I told the community to actually close this trade right here with about 16 hours, which was about 220 270 pips right here in profit, which was a beautiful trade. I loved the way I was able to actually update the community when to do exactly what I wanted them to do, and this is how it is. And this is where the market is currently right now. I'll pop up the screenshot of how much I made on the screen right here. So let's get all the way to the beginning. Let's see what was happening. So what was happening overall? What was the overall trend right here? So check, you can, if you can zoom out all the way, you can see that the market was overall going to the upside, right? So meaning our safest bet was buying, right? So what we had right here was a drop base rally, like I've said. And then we had this, which was taken out, and then now the market had created what we call a 3D drive or a trend line liquidity. You can see that we had the one touch here, another touch here, and another touch was there. And our entry was just beautiful, guys. Our entry was just beautiful. So we entered from here, and then the market consolidated, and then during the Asian session, the market really pushed to the upside, and this push alone was about, let me just see, it was about two over 235 pips, guys. 235 pips. Beautiful stuff. And from that time, the market was just like playing around and hasn't moved anywhere. And one thing that also caused me to actually tell the community to actually get out of this trade because you see that the market was kind of reacting from this level right here. So the market just faked this out a bit, and then dropped the bit side to the downside, and then went just took out that, and then just continued to go to the downside right here. So the price action was not really doing it for me, and that's the reason why I was able to just tell the community to actually get out, because the price action was not impressive. Otherwise, the initial risk reward ratio was 1 to 34 risk reward ratio. However, we ended up closing with about 1 to 16 risk to reward ratio, which was really amazing. So that's how it is. All right, so those are some of the benefits that you get when you're part of our M&F mastery community. So yeah, you get such updates, as in when to actually manage a trade and how to trade your stop loss, when to do all that. All right, so that's how it is. Otherwise, overall, it was a beautiful trade. It turned out amazing. We closed about 16 hours on this particular trade, and personally I made about like $2,400 right here. So it was absolutely beautiful trade, guys. So I really just wanted to share this particular setup with you guys, and I hope that you found value from this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. All right, like always, remember, once we reach 3,000 subscribers, which was that we're about 50 subscribers away from reaching that, we are going to offer you guys a massive promotion. All right, so make sure you stick around, watch the rest of the videos, and subscribe, do all that good stuff. All right, so you guys, until next time, goodbye.